असले तरी तुम्ही कधीही मुलांशी इंटरॅक्ट करायला नाही म्हणत नाही. You never say no to talk to. Good evening. You never say no to talk to the students, and always you're ready to share your knowledge. So as soon as I said that we are going to do this kind of program, you were all ready, and immediately you said, yes, I'm ready. You sent me all the questions. So you immediately sent me all the questions, and everyone was so excited to see the questions. And then that time they understood, oh, aisa bhi hota hai. So many types are there. So many things are there. Like we didn't even know that DRDO has so many offices or so many branches, we can say. So while we were making the worksheets that time also, we were so excited. Like me and one of my other student who helped me in making the worksheets, design the worksheets. So even he was very surprised to see many of the answers, many of the questions. So while making the worksheets also, we also went through a lot of brain training that we had to search many things and that we had to find out many things. And like while making the worksheets, it was very nice. Like I really feel proud of it. And throughout the month, I kept sharing all the videos. So all the videos, many list of movies, many other things, many other news. So when I was reading all that, like every day I was thinking about this, about our nation, like how good our soldiers, like how our soldiers are helping us to stay, to live comfortably in our own house. So they are taking care of the whole country, of everyone over here. So we are really thankful to them. And we are also thankful to people like you who make their work easier by making some kind of armaments for them, or by changing the design and all. So we are very thankful that because of all the soldiers of a country and because of people like you who help the soldiers, we are able to live peacefully here. Thank you so much, sir. So I would like to invite you on the podium to talk to all the students and